Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe. Welcome to the new chapter, Cubes and Cube Roots. In geometry, we have learned that a cube is three-dimensional solid with six square faces. We know that the length, breadth, and height of a cube are all equal, isn't it? What about the volume of a cube? If the side is yes, the volume of the cube with side yes is yes into s, which is equal to s cube. Now, in the same way, a number which can be expressed as a product of three equal numbers is called a cube number or simply a cube. Have a look at the first figure. It's a cube with side of 1 unit and its volume is 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. And in the second one, as you see, the side is of 2 units. We see the volume of the cube of 2 unit length is 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Now, in the third case, we can see the cube has dimension 3. So, its volume is given as 3 into 3 into 3, which gets us the answer 27. Numbers obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times are known as cube numbers. I repeat, numbers obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times are known as cube numbers. We write the cubes in exponential form as 1 equals 1 cube, 8 equals 2 cube, 27 equals 3 cube, 64 equals 4 cube, and so on. Here, let's try to get the cubes of the following numbers. You can try this now. Question A, 11. Question B, 9 by 13. Question C, 2.2. Hope that you got the correct answers. In this chart, the cubes of numbers from 1 to 20 are given. Observe the table carefully and let's see the properties of the cubes of a number. First property, if at all, the given number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, its cube also ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Isn't it interesting? Now, if at all the given number ends with 2 or 3, its cube ends with 8 or 7 respectively. As you see, the cubes of even numbers are even. That means 2 cube is 8, 4 cube is 64, 6 cube is 260 and so on. Let's see about the cubes of odd numbers. What about the cube of 9 cube? It is 729. What about the cube of 17 cube? It is 4913, which is again an odd number. So, we can say that the cubes of odd numbers are always odd. Now, how we will check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not? For that, we have to follow the following steps. Step 1. You write the given number as a product of its prime factors. As you have learned in squares chapter, you used to group in pairs. But in the case of cubes, we used to put them in triples. In step 3, if no factors is left out, the number is a perfect cube. Let's check. Is 729 a perfect cube? We have to follow the steps. So as you said, first we have to express it as the product of the prime factors. So 729, it comes as the product of 3 6 times. When you group it in threes, you can see there are 2 groups are possible. Now, it's expressed as a product of triples. So that we conclude that it is a perfect cube. Is it clear? Now, let us take few more examples and try to solve them. Here we go. We have solved examples. The first question. What is the least number by which 9720 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube? We start with the solution. First part we have to do is we need to get the prime factorization of 9720. As you see, when you prime factorize 9720 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. You try to put them in groups of 3. The prime factors 3 and 5 are not in triplets. To get a perfect cube, we have to multiply again with one more 3 and 2 5s. That is 3 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 75. That means you have to multiply 9720 with 75 to make it a perfect cube. Is it clear? Okay. So first you go for the prime factorization of the given number. Try to put it in groups of 3. So whichever factors that are not in triplet, you multiply with the required number so that it will also be in triplet. And in this case, 9720 must be multiplied by 75 to get a perfect cube. Let's see another example. What is the least number by which 1600 must be divided to make it a perfect cube? As we go 1600, we do the prime factorization. We expressed it as 1600 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Making them in groups of 3 equal factors, we are left with 5 into 5. That is, the given number 1600 must be divided with 5 into 5, that is 25. Hence, the least number to be divided for getting the perfect cube equals 25. So today we have learned about perfect cubes and its properties. Go through the video again, practice the questions. That's all for today. Before we conclude, let's have a quote by APJ Abdul. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Dear children, thank you and have a nice day.